Here it is on the charging station. Powering on. And that's what it does. Nothing more, nothing less. Air 15.